Good day everyone, my name is Arslan and welcome to my fifth Blender video. So today is my first video from our low poly city building series in which we're going to make things that are easy on the system and they get the job done, right? That's what Blender is all about, isn't it? So the first thing is of course the ocean. Let's quickly make our oceans scale 9 times and let's go to shading. So this is where the magic is going to happen. Let's delete that and let's first of all add glossy BSDF and let's add bump. Let's add a matte node and similarly we need a Musgrave texture. So Alt and right click and Alt and right click, Alt and right click and Alt and right click. And let's go to our cycles and GPU compute 1 denoise. So this is what we have. Alright, now how do we do this? First of all is the scale 150 and 10. And this is fine. Let's go to height 0.058 and let's go to normal and 0.037. So this is it. This is the ocean. Check this out. A procedural ocean. It looks quite realistic and it can get the job done, right? So this is the first realistic ocean. Now of course if we want to make it moving, control and T and let's add a timeline right here and 250 frames. So let's go to the rotation. To 0 and this is fine. So I and let's go to 250 and 360 and I. Right, much better. So this is the first the realistic, you could say, low poly ocean that we can make for all our animations, and it works quite fine, right? Check this out. And of course we can right click and handle interpolation to linear, so it would improve it. And let's go for the fog. We need a fog, right? So cube and when you cannot find stuff, so Alt and the dot on the numpad, right? I mean I'm not sure what this exactly is called. I think it's called dot, isn't it? And let's delete this. So in order to make our fog, we have volume scatter and we have emission, both of them. So both values can be around 0.2. I think it works okay. Connect that to the volume and this is your fog. So check this out. This is our I mean my point is, these are the low poly city building elements, or you could say things that you can do in order to get the job done. And this is the fog, right, which you can include in all your animations. So let's go to that. All right, this thing works good. 0.02. All right, in fact this is better than that one. Let's go to that and 0.02. All right, but overall I like the emission much better. This is much better. Check this out. So now let's quickly, try to create some sort of a scene right here. Can we do that? So let's first go to mesh and let's go to Shift A and landscape and let's go. So guys, this was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something from it. This is just a scene I'm trying to quickly make, but this was how you make a realistic fog and uh, a realistic ocean inside Blender. It's low poly and it's procedural. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna include the final render in the end. And this was just a short video regarding low poly environments that you guys can make. And of course, you can use once your concept and the shading is clear, so then you can use it in different projects, right? So have a nice day. See you in the next video.